chance. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकम् सरस्वती रूपेण संस्कृतम् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नागेन्द्रहारं त्रिलोचनायां भस्मांग्रगाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुदाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय। ओम अंजनीगर्भासन्मुखं वायुपुत्रो महाबलं कुमारो ब्रह्मचारी च हनुमान मे प्रसीद मे। ओम भूर्भुवस्व तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गोदेवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। ओम गम गणपतिये नमो नमः। सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाबा मोरिया गम गणपति नमो नमः।
श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया
गम गणपति नमो नमः। सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया।
ओम गम गणपति नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया।
गम गणपति नमो नमः। सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया। ओम गम गणपति नमो नमः। सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः। अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः।
गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया।
गम गणपति नमो नमः। गणपतिये नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाबा मोरिया। ओम गम गणपतिये नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः
अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाबा मोरिया।
गम गणपतिये नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाबा मोरिया।
गम गणपतिये नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाबा मोरिया।
बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे बम बोले रे
शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे।
काशी जी के विश्वनाथ नाथों के नाथ
काशी विश्वनाथ नाथों के नाथ
काशी जी के विश्वनाथ नाथों के नाथ
काशी विश्वनाथ नाथों के नाथ
काशी जी के विश्वनाथ नाथों के नाथ
बम बोले रे बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे।
कोई चढ़ावे पान फूल कोई चढ़ावे माला
कोई चढ़ावे पान फूल कोई चढ़ावे माला
कोई चढ़ावे पान फूल कोई चढ़ावे माला
कोई चढ़ावे पान फूल कोई चढ़ावे माला।
कोई मंगन मांग रही को रेले बाला
बम बोले रे बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे।
बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे
बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे शिव बम बोले रे।
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम
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 नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम।
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे ओ
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ।
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ
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 जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की. So a few days now I want to sing this song, and I never, each time I pass my hand I can't get the copy. But this song tells to us, sometimes Kam Kruda Audaloba Kumara Jagannatha Ayaram, that because sometimes someone get us angry, sometimes because of our work, sometimes because of that krodha, that anger, sometimes because of riches, we forget God. But each time that Sri Ram takes his incarnation, he goes into the forest to lift those devotees who resides into the forest. काम क्रोध और लोभ कुमारा जगत न आया राम. जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया बनवान, तब तब पाया बनवान. काम क्रोध और लोभ कुमारा जगत न आया राम. जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया बनवान, तब तब पाया बनवान. कलियुग तक चलती आज है सतयुग की ये रेम. कलियुग तक चलती आज है सतयुग की ये रेम. सब कुछ हार चुके जब अपने तब हे राम के गेम. युगल बदल पर बदल न पाए अब तक ये इतिहास. जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया बनवान, तब तब पाया बनवान. काम क्रोध और लोभ कुमारा जगत ने आया राम. जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया बनवान, तब तब पाया बनवान. अपने महल दो महले जंगल जंगल फिरना. चोर के अपने महल दो महले जंगल जंगल फिरना. औरों के सुख चैन के खातिर दुख संकट में गिरना. है यही राम के लेख ही रेखा आ गए अब विश्वास. जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया तब तब पाया बनवान, तब तब पाया बनवान. काम क्रोध और लोभ की मारा राम ने जन्म लिया, तब पाया बनवास, तब पाया बनवास। राम हर एक जग में आए, रे कौन हुए पहचान। राम हर एक जग में आए, पर कौन हुए पहचान। राम के पूजा के जग ने, पर राम का अर्दन जान। तकते तकते भोर को गाए, धरती और आकाश। जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया, तब पाया बनवास, तब पाया बनवास। काम क्रोध और लोभ कुमारा, जगत ने आया राम। जब जब राम ने जन्म लिया, तब पाया बनवास, तब पाया बनवास। I know your mother singing a song. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। So devotees and friends, I think today I could finish my katha 8:45. Today we had puja, we had offerings on the lingam, we had havan, we had a few kirtan, chants, and now we're going straight into our katha. But before we start our katha this evening, I'd like each and every one of you to put your hands together, close the physical eyes as we pray. O Divine Mother, this day we join in devotion. Collectively we find ourselves in satsang this evening. As we present ourselves towards your lotus-like feet, O Ma, please grace and grant all of us that success, that growth, that prosperity. Om Samukascha Ekadantascha Kapilo Gajakarnakam Lambhodara Sacha Victo Viganasham Ganadipatiye Namaham Om Dhumraketu Ganayak Shobala Chandro Gajianaham Dvadeshatani Namami Yatsrinudayapim Vidyarambe Vivahe Cha Pravishe Nirgamitatham Sangrame Sankate Chay Evam Vignamatasya Na Jayate Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaram Gurur Sakshat Parang Brahman Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaham Nagendraharam Trilochanayam Bhashmangragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shudaya Digambarayam Tasmai Nakarayam Namah Shivaya Om Anjani Garbhasan Mukhum Vayu Putro Mahabam Kumaro Brahmnichari Cham Hanuman Me Prasidha Me Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini दुर्गा क्षमा शिवे धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमस्तुते। ओम सर्वमंगले मंगले शिवे सर्वैर्थे साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सहा वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दुर्गा रूपेण संस्कृतम् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। जगदीश्वरे दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो जगदीश्वरी दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो जगदीश्वरी जगदीश्वरी दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो जगदीश्वरी दया
करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो।
जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां
जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां
जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां
जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां जय अम्बे दुर्गा मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो जगदीश्वरी दया
करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो।
जय अम्बे लक्ष्मी मां
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 जय अम्बे लक्ष्मी मां जय अम्बे लक्ष्मी मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मातेश्वरी कृपा करो।
जय अम्बे सरस्वती मां
जय अम्बे सरस्वती मां
जय अम्बे Devi Durga Mata Ki. So, devotees and friends, last evening we had a wonderful discussion, and Pandit Jai reminded me to let you all know that last night Katha was in the deepest breadth of our knowledge, which tells to us that there is only one consciousness, there is one force which pervades this world. And that divine force, whatever name you call him by, it doesn't matter, But my dear friends, every single thing in this world becomes a receptacle for God's energy. And it is through us, through this receptacle, that the energy and the power of God is being shown towards the world. And we need to understand, devotees and friends, how wonderful. We like to have distinction, name, form, and everything else, and that is good. That helps us to attune the mind. But my dear friends, there is a point and there is a time when we need to understand that it is just an energy flowing which we need to lift ourselves towards. So last evening, Divine Mother told to us that the creation manifests itself through Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, who is being given Saraswati, Lakshmi and Kali as their consort. So many of us, from the time we hear the name Kali, we come so scared, we become so frightened. But devotees and friends, you're free to pass in front of the camera and you could have fallen on it. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. So devotees and friends, that divine Shakti, before she went back into that mode of totality, absolute, she said, Brahma and Saraswati, when one takes themselves into the mode of Rajogun, Brahma, Saraswati will be the Rajogun. Bhagwan Vishnu and Lakshmi will be the Satogun. And Kali and Shiva will be the Tamogun. So this is at a different level, not at the level that we live at here. And when I make this, sometimes when I give this explanation, some people believe that I am making Kali be. No, this is what she did. She said the white, the Satogun is in white, the Rajogun is in red, and the Tamogun is in black. So you see Lord Shiva in the blue, you see the Lingam in the black, you see Kali Devi in the black. Because they represent the Tamogun, to help remove the Tamogun from our lives. So this evening, we are going to discuss a little more in details some of this three gunas. And it will be, my dear friends, very, very interesting to see where you have placed yourself. Come straight up in the stage, son. Sitaram. And one time, give me a skill. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. Nirav gave me the scale last night, didn't I? प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दुर्गारूपेण संस्कृतम् नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्कृतम् नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः. O Divine Mother, this evening we present ourselves to you. Enlighten us so that this knowledge which will flow this evening will help us live our lives. Divine Mother, we feel your presence this evening. And it's only through your presence, through your grace, through your energy, as you told to us last night, we are able to present ourselves. This evening, Uma, we know it is according to the mode of our minds that we can present ourselves. O Divine Mother, being your servant today, with the little mustard seed of blessing you have given me with this knowledge, I embark on this great task of presenting your words to our wonderful devotees. Those who were able to make it to the Yajnashala today, those who are viewing us through Facebook on Pandit Vishnu Live, and those who are viewing us radio online www.dharamkiawaj.com. To all you people, we welcome you. May the Divine Mother touch you in a very wonderful way this evening as we present ourselves with this wonderful katha. Namaste. Namo Namah. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Maan, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Maan. Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani.
जय जय जगदम्बा भवानी, जय जय जगदम्बा भवानी, जय जय जगदम्बा भवानी, जय जय जगदम्बा भवानी.
जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां. नारद जी बोले हेता, आपने गुण की लक्ष्मी को वरण किया, किंतु आपके मुख से नियात्रिहा विष्णु रूपम. मधुर रस का पान करता हुआ मैं अभी भी तृष्ट नहीं हुई हूँ. जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब। अतएव अब आप इस गुणों के सुश्रमा ज्ञान का यथावता वर्ण कीजिए, जिससे मैं आपने हृदय में परम शांति का अनुभव कर सकूं। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। व्यास जी बोले आपने पुत्र महात्मा, नारद के इस प्रकार पूछने पर रगो गुण से अभिवर्ता कृष्णम निरमता ब्रह्मा जी के कहा हो। ब्रह्मा जी बोले हे नारद, सुनिए आपने गुणों का विस्तृत वर्णन करूंगा। यद्यपि मैं इस विषय में सम्यक ज्ञान नहीं रखता, फिर भी अपनी बुद्धि के अनुसार आपसे वर्ण कर रहा है। जय जय देवी मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे
भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। So Narad ji spoke to his father, Vyasa ji, and he said, Father, you have described to me the characteristics of the three qualities. Though I have taken it and I have enjoyed it from your lotus-like mouth, your words, your sweet words, dear Father, still I am not quite satisfied. Kindly describe to me in details, in due order, how can I recognize clearly the three qualities that I can get the highest peace of mind. So devotees and friends, this evening what we are going to engage our discussion into is those principles, those qualities that we need to place into our lives to bring the highest peace, to bring that peace that which will give us, my dear friends, happiness, bliss. And Vyasji said, he said, O Narad, the creator of the world, Brahmaji, originated from the Rajogun, asked by the high-minded son Naradji, it says, and he began speaking to Naradji. He says, O Narad, I myself do not possess fully the complete knowledge of the three gunas, but as far as I know, I am about to tell to you. Devotees and friends, let us listen now as the Katha takes a very wonderful turn. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Man, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Man. Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani.
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय जय जय
Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani. Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani.
Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani. Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani. Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani.
Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam. जिस प्रकार सभा भूषणों से भी भूषितात हवाम, भव से युक्ते कोई सुंदरी श्री, आपने पति को विषयों प्रिया होती है जय देवी मां, तात माता पिता एवं बंधु बंधावेत के जय देवी मां, लिया भी प्रीति कर होती है, किंतु वहाँ श्री आपनी सौथो नामने दुखम और मोहम तत्पन करते हैं। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
So it says here that the three gunas, devotees and friends, is like a beautiful woman, well decorated with ornament and endowed with amorous gesture. She gives delight in one hand to her husband, father, mother and friends. But devotees and friends, Tulsidas ji, Narad ji, through Vyas is telling to him, he says, listen, he says that the three gunas are compared like a man with three wives. Munish, that don't mean anything. What will happen? And we can look at Raja Dasrath. Raja Dasrath had three wives: Kaunshilya, Sumintra, and Kaikeyi. But devotees and friends, it is not in reality three queens. Each and every one of us carry that three queens with us. Each and every one of us move with those three queens. Kaunshilya, which is the Satogun, and we will hear what are the qualities of the Satogun in our next verse. Sumintra, the passionate or the Rajogun, and Kaikeyi, the ignorant or the Tamogun. So this is the three gunas. But in reality, let's look at it in reality. Nayan, if you had three girlfriends, you know what's going to happen, son? You have one? Okay. What is going to happen is each one is going to try to outdo the other one. At least as the natural flow. In this Kali age, they will try to outdo one another, probably with fight and everything else. But whatever it is, out of the three, each one will try to outdo the other one. Similarly, my dear friends, these qualities of sweetness and goodness, which is Satogun, Rajogun, the passion, and Tamogun, my dear friends, which is the ignorance, they all try to be master. They all try to take control of your life. And this is the message this evening. Which one are you going to allow to take control of your life, as the Katha now tells to us? Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Ma,
Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Ma.
Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Ma, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Ma. Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani.
Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani, 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 Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani.
Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam. Sattva Guna ke Priti Starupam समझाना चाहिए, वहाँ प्रीति सुख से उत्पन्न होती है। सरलता सत्यम शौच, सत्य शौच श्रीधूम ज्ञान क्षमा, दैवा कृपा लज्जाम, शांति और संतोषम इस लक्षणों से, इस दैवा निश्चालम सत्य व गुण की प्राप्ति होती है। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवा बोल, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। आदि शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। So Brahma ji said, O Narad, I will now talk to you about the three qualities and their colors. I will give to you the configuration and how they are seen and how they exist. So we start with the Satogun. The Satogun, my dear friends, is the source of pleasure and happiness. The Satogun is the source of pleasure and happiness. So devotees and friends, which one of you present here, which one of us following us on Facebook or on Radio Live, Pandit Vish, www.dharam.ki does not want pleasure and happiness in your life? We all do want pleasure and happiness into our lives. It says, and when happiness comes, everything seems delighting. So it says the Satogun, which brings that pleasure and that happiness into our lives, we must be able to possess and to live a life of integrity. Integrity, my dear friends, it is important. We must be very straightforward in our dealings. Truthfulness Come back again, Dylan boy. Truthfulness, my dear friends, is very, very important, you know. So sometimes the young boy would say, Dad, I'm going down the road to Marabella with the van, and we reach Couva, you know. But we will get to know. We'll get to know. So my dear friends, truthfulness is very, very important. Cleanliness. And what is this cleanliness are we talking about? Are we just talking about having a nice clean white curtain sitting here? No, my dear friends. Prabhu Sri Ram, when Bibhishan, the brother of Ravana, came to Prabhu Sri Ram, devotees and friends, all the monkeys and bears, all those who were supporting Sri Ram, told to Bhagwan Ram, he's a spy because if our brother is Ravan, he come here to spy on us. And the Lord told to them, he says, only those with a pure mind can find me. Nirmal man. Only those with a pure mind can find me. So when we talk about cleanliness here, my dear friends, we're not talking about just taking a shower 5 times a day. You know, my little daughter sometimes before the day is over, she only takes half a bath. But yet still, she has a very pure mind. So we'll consider her clean, you know. She's not hearing me, so I could say that. So devotees and friends, cleanliness of the mind. The thoughts, because our mind, my dear friends, is a storehouse of thought projections. From what we see, hear, smell, taste and touch, goes to the mind and it is perceived on the mind, and the mind feeds the intellect, and the intellect then feeds, my dear friends, all that which is necessary to make action, and so action comes. The actions come only because of the flavor of the thoughts which have been sent to the intellect. So if your heart is filled with the other thoughts, then that is what your actions will be. And then what is the universal law of action? Every action brings a equal and opposite reaction according to Newton. That's the physicist. The sociologist tells to us that life is like a looking glass. What you present into the glass, that is what you're going to see. And then the law of karma says, to every action of yours, there is an assigned result. So devotees and friends, cleanliness, faith. Faith, we must have faith in what we do. I always, you see, sometimes when devotees come and they had a little problems and so on, and I give them devotion to do, because some of them believe, Umar, that as they come, they must walk out back without the problem. But that's not how it works. You have to do the devotion, because your karma, you can only get what is due to you as a result of the karma which you put into it. And that is why it is so necessary to perform all these devotions. So sometimes when I give little devotions, what they would say, Baba, hope it work. And that sometimes make me believe that that word hope should have come out of the dictionary. Because for some reason people will believe that hope is a positive word. But in my analyzing of the scriptures, when we say I hope, that's a negative thing. Because, my dear friends, you have no faith in God. You have no faith in what you are going to do. If you have faith in what you're going to do, definitely you are going to see results. You may not see the degree of the results you want one time, but it will take a period of time. With your devotion, your karma that you're putting in, what is due to you will come to you at the appropriate time. Last night we saw that, where the Divine Mother tells us that we have been created and we will only get the fruits as they are due to us. So devotees and friends, you know, Onela will tell to you that when they give people particular loan to do certain things, they have to meet certain criteria before they release a certain amount, and then they go release again. So what is due, it is only then they will be able to get, although it's there for them, you know. But if you don't reach to that peak point, then you will not be able to access the rest. Similarly, my dear friends, the happiness, the peace, the joy, the riches, everything is right here. God have created it already for us. It is just we have to work to access it. We have to perform the karma to have it. And if we don't perform the karma, then we will not have it. So devotees and friends, the next one is forgiveness. Forgiveness. Something that the human being only talk about. We only talk about forgiveness, but we do not live forgiveness. Because, my dear friends, we will say, I forgive you. But 3 months down the road, we say, you know, and he do me so and so and so and so. If we continue with that, we have not forgiven. But my dear friends, forgiveness is one of that. Mercy, we must have mercy on people. Bashfulness. And I always tell, well, now I had to tell the boys them that because the girls and them are a little more outspoken now sometimes than the boys. If somebody comes, Nayan boy, if a girl come outright and say, Nayan, I love you, no, that girl, I mean nothing. And so to all the little daughters here, if a boy come to you just outright, just like that, and say, hey, I love you, it doesn't mean anything. But you see, when they come with a little bashfulness, they frighten us. You went a little bashful, or you went brave? Dylan does go brave, I know that. Rajiv? You went the midway. My dear friends, true love is being expressed in a bashful way. Not a frightened way, but in a bashful way. It means that you're very careful of what you're going to say. You're choosing the words so clear because you want nothing go wrong. Ask your father about that, Rajiv. Prem Sabalashiram Chandra Bhagavani Ki. The next one, my dear friends, that comes with the Satogun is contentment. Santosh. We only talk, that's another thing again, we only talk that we are contented. Now mind you, I am not saying to allow your life to be stagnated. No, the Lord didn't tell you to allow your life to be stagnated. What does contentment mean? We have reached to this point here today. I expected that I would have been able to travel 200 miles this day, but I only were able to travel 150. You must be contented with the 150 which you have completed at the present time, because that is what is completed. Make yourself happy with what have completed. The next day, you plan how you're going to move forward to get the rest completed. Not everything that we want, my dear friends, we get it when we want it, because it will only come to us when it is due to us. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, these are the qualities which will arise in our hearts when the Satogun is ruling. The color of the Satogun is white. It makes one always like religion. Because religion, my dear friends, is the stepping stone to spirituality. You can be religious, but sometimes you don't bound to be spiritual. When we run away from all the fanatics, being the fanatics, then we are spiritual. Spirituality, my dear friends, spirituality have two qualities. Whether you're Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whether you're Trinidadian, Chinese, Ukrainian, Russian, whatever you be, spirituality has two qualities. One, self-control, and two, ahimsa, non-violence. And you see, these two, it is being violated so much into this world today, my dear friends, that is what is causing the degradation of our people. Because they have no self-control and they do not have that which is ahimsa, non-violence. What is that ahimsa? Devotees and friends, sometimes I don't care. I don't care. I say what I want to say. Who get hurt, get hurt. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. Why? Because the ego runs high. And we don't care. So devotees and friends, ahimsa is when we care. And I always remember when Guruji gave me my first mala, and that is Swami Balaram Narayan Singh. When he gave me the first mala, he said, Vishnu, he said, when you walk in, watch the ground. And I said, why, Guruji? I was just about 12 years, going for 13 years. He said, no, if there is ants there on the ground, make sure you crush the ants, because the ants have the same life that you have. And I try my best up to this point in time not to hurt anyone. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, spirituality has two principles, and that is of self-control and so devotees and friends, this world rules by three Shaktis: Gyan Shakti, or the power of discrimination. We must be able to discriminate. We must, and I'm not talking about discriminate who rich and who poor. We must be able to discriminate those actions which will give us happiness and those actions which will give us sadness. We have to be able to identify, my dear friends, and Vairagya have that, this passion for all those things which will affect us in life. So we must have that power of discrimination. Our young children today hardly have discrimination, you know. Mommy, I want to go here now. And all you could tell to them, hey, listen, this place a little bit dangerous today, you shouldn't go. They do not want to. Hey, young boys, we do not want to understand that all you have the generation gap so big that all you can't understand we. And it's only when you find yourself in the trouble, then you will say, you know, Daddy, Mommy, you're correct. So my dear friends, Gyan Shakti, the power of discrimination, we must be able to also understand what is real and what is unreal. What is real in this world? Atma. The energy of God is the only thing that is real. Everything that you can perceive and everything that you see has a beginning and it has an end. So it's not real. Devotees and friends, we have Ichha Shakti, the power of desire. And if we cannot control that power of desire or direct the power of desire to the right path, to the Sato Gun, then we'll find ourselves in a lot of trouble. And then, my dear friends, we have Kriya Shakti, which is the power to move forward, the power to lift ourselves. And that is what I was telling to you, that when we said that contentment means that where we reach today, we must make ourselves happy with it. If I am able to have $100 in my hand today, I could fight how much I want and grieve how much I want and be sad how much I want because I want to spend $1,000. I would not be able to spend $1,000 because I only have 100. So the 100 that you get, if you take it and you buy and make yourself happy with it, you will always be happy. So devotees and friends, we have to know how to direct our Kriya. Have to do. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. I have few more little things to do, but Omar is here this evening, and Omar will sing us a bhajan, and then I will just conclude the katha for this evening. Plenty more to do, but we can't do all this evening. Omar ji.
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय
आज शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जहं इक्षरया द्रोहं मत्सारे सत्यं भं। उत्कंठा एवं निद्रा होती है, वहाँ राजसे दृष्टि रहाती है। अभिमाने मद और गर्वाए, सब भी राजसी सृष्टि से ही उत्पन्न होता है। अत भी धूना मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि वे इस लक्षणों द्वार राज से श्रद्धु समाज। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, 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 जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
आज शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की। So we have spoken quite at length about the Satogun, and that is where we need to place our lives. But my dear friends, as I told you in my opening verses, that the three gunas are like three wives to a man, and each one will try to outdo the other one. So let us see now. Yes, we'll all say that I have these qualities of cleanliness, truthfulness, integrity, faith, forgiveness, fortitude, contentment. I have all of these in my heart. But listen now to the Rajogun. But what the Rajogun gives to us? So what the Satogun gives to us is pleasure and happiness. The Rajogun, my dear friends, is red in color. It is red in color and is the source of all troubles. Trouble spelled Troubles. Troubles. Anybody know what that word means? It will give you sweetness, it will give you peace. Trouble is trouble. Nikhil, you ever get in trouble? So devotees and friends, it says that the Rajogun is the source of all troubles. There is no doubt of this. That's what the Devi is telling us, there is no doubt about this. It says, and the quality, those, my dear friends, the intelligent should understand that the Rajas has certainly arisen to him when his mind is filled with hatred. We have some people say, I'm a hater. That's the source of your trouble. Right, Kandi? Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. So, my dear friends, when we believe that we are haters, I will hate you for what you're doing. we'll continue to have trouble all the time. Second, it's just a few here quarrelsome feelings. Munish, when last you quarrel? Rajiv, when last you quarrel? Rajiv said a good while. So you're keeping yourself away from that trouble. My dear friends, tell me who ever make a quarrel and their mind was not agitated. Because the principal quality of, or the outcome of living the Rajogun is an agitated mind. That is a troubled mind. Anybody's mind is agitated, you're in trouble, you know. Remember that. And so, devotees and friends, tell me, have you ever made a quarrel yet, Anu? And your mind remained calm and peaceful and loving? Huh? None of us. So, devotees and friends, to be quarrelsome is Rajogun. That will give us trouble. We go again, because my time coming up. I don't want to go, everything go out over the expired time, they throw it through the window, eh? So I don't want to go through the window this evening. So devotees and friends, we continue. Pride, that abhiman, that ego. I am. This is mine. Devotees and friends, what is yours? What is yours? I always tell all devotees, and I remember very well the years gone by when I made this statement first. I didn't conclude saying out the whole thing. I said I'll leave it for tomorrow to talk about it. My wife didn't talk to me the whole night until the next day. Because, my dear friends, not even your wife or your husband is yours. You feel like your girlfriend is yours? It's not yours. Not even your wife or your husband is yours. And let me prove that to you. If my children were my children, I own them, my children, then I could have do them what I want. And then, if my children could say they own their daddy, when Mr. Yamraj knock on my door, they'll say, hey, listen, that is mine, you can't take it. But because it is not theirs, we cannot take it. When death knock on our doors, my dear friends, no matter how much we love that person, we have to go because we don't own it. We earn this life, we earn everything in this life, but we own nothing. EARN, we earn. Our karmas have given to us what is due to us for us to enjoy ourselves in this world. So let me now clear this doubt before, husband and wives go home saying, you is not mine and I. No. The Lord, everything belongs, and I go now to scriptures back. Taittiriya Upanishad tells to us. He says, everything animate and inanimate belongs to me and you will have your quota. You will have your quota. Quota means what is due to you, your amount. So devotees and friends, and that one you can't play black market to get more. You can't pay to do that. You will get only what you pay for, what your karma is. So devotees and friends, the wife, the husband, the children belongs to God. God have granted us the gift. You see how sweet it is now? God have granted us the gift of a wife. And if God, who is that supreme personality of Godhead, who have given us that gift, then we must cherish the gift. Tell me, if somebody who loves you very much give you a gift, you don't cherish it? Well, I just can't cherish all the pen gifts that I get, Because from the time I get a pen gift, whether it mark Pandit Vishnu, whether it mark Guruji, whether it mark what, go in them children pencil case and you go find it there. But my dear friends, the mere fact that if someone who loves you very much gives you a gift, you must cherish it. So if God give you the gift of the wife and He give the wife the gift of the husband, then we must cherish it. So we'll treat it even better than if it is our own. Because if it belongs to me, I could treat it how I want. Now when domestic violence and all them stupidness come in, is when we treat it to be our own. You see? Prem Sabal Shinam Chanda Bhagavan Ki Jai. God have given us children as our gifts to see about over a period of time. And that is why when the children make a mistake, we mustn't tell the children, I go kill you, I go break your hand, I go break your foot. No. That's not how you'll treat a gift. Always remember, the children is learning. And I asked all the parents Sunday, how long it took you to learn 2 times and 3 times table? And it took you time over and over and over and you had to do it? So too, the teachings of the world, the children will not be able to grasp it in one, but you have to be there to guide them. If you are not there to guide them and teach them, they will never learn it. Prem Sabal Shinam Chandra Bhagavan Ki. So devotees and friends, these feelings of the ego, we must take it away. Nothing belongs to us. Everything belongs to God. We have it to enjoy it. Enjoy it when you have it now. Don't wait to get a bulk and then say you're going to enjoy, because you'll never enjoy it. Prem Sabal Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki. He says sleepiness. You only want to run and sleep, run and sleep, run and sleep. That is tamogun, that will give you trouble. Vanity. You know, I cannot come with the same kurta on this singhasan, the same one for this 9 days. I cannot repeat it, because what everybody going to say. So we only think about the vanity, the glitter of the world. But remember, they say not all things that glitter is gold. Look deep inside. You know, the vanity. Let me tell you how the vanity does be and how it works. The young boy, well, all of them are fortunate like Dylan, They go borrow the father car. And they go borrow the mother chain with the moher in it. You know, and they put it on, and they go drive the car in front of the school to fool all that vanity, you know, showing what I have. Vanity, my dear friends, is a source of trouble. Prem Sabal Shinam Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. Arrogance. The smallest thing, as somebody tell you something, you're ready to squeeze their throat. Then we move now to the quality of the tamogun. The quality of the tamogun is black. And laziness starts that quality. And what is tamogun? What do you know? It says rajogun give you trouble. Satogun give you peace and happiness. What tamogun give you? Destruction. So laziness will do one thing, it will, you know, continue to destroy you. Not trying to understand and learn about the world and yourself, that ignorance will give you destruction. Miserliness. not spending when we need to spend. You know, if you only keep pulling in the money and you don't send it out back, you cannot be happy, eh? But you have to know how. It must have the siddhi to go back out. Bhori Lakshmi, Devi Lakshmi, Siddhi Karani, Mam Bandar Puri Kriyam Swaha. Anybody who uses that mantra will have the siddhi of the money in your hands. And so, devotees and friends, anger. Anger is a destroying thing. Situation that we read on the papers is the egoism and the anger, and all of that cause that destruction. The devotees and friends, it tells to us, and this is the one I'm closing with this evening. It says, finding the fault with others is tamoguni. How many of us love to find faults with others? Huh? We all love to find faults. We come here and the color might match a little bit to suit your mind. But to the people who put it up, that was the best for them. But if you are like it now, you start to criticize it. If you don't like what Pandit's saying, because Pandit, everything falling into your garden and you had to pick it up and put it in your basket, you're going to say Pandit insulting you. You know? So devotees and friends, we need to understand, we need to have proper discrimination. We need to understand what Pandit Jai and myself, we are trying each day with Dharam Ki Awaaj to do. We are not looking for name and fame. You know, I remember when my instep was broken and I still wanted to go in the radio station because not because of name and fame, but because I wanted to send my message as far as it could. And my wife told me, he says, so you only go in there for name and fame, eh? And it struck me like a rocket hitting you straight in your heart. I didn't stay long after because, you know. But my dear friends, we are not out for name and fame. We are here for transformation. That is what Dharam Ki Awaaj is about. That is what the next 11 days, more than 11 days, we're going straight until the 16th. So we'll have 14 more days. That is what we are going to do. When Pandit Jai sit down there and he's putting through the mantras, is not to say that I do puja. That puja must touch you into your heart and you must be willing to make one change minimum in your life. When you sit down, oh, Pandit sing nice and he had a nice discourse, you must take at least one thing from the message this evening and place into your life. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki. So we'll have the cracking of the coconuts and we will have Aarti. Pandit Jai lead and win Aarti today. Say Omar to do that. Pandit Jai give you the okay. So Omar will sing us a bhajan as we prepare for Aarti. Everybody who has your coconut and so on, please come forward. Please stand, everyone. Okay. So we won't take everybody one time, eh? Because no matter we open up, but we still want to manage the social distance and everything. All right. Whether you have a coconut in your hand at this time or not, I want each and every one of you to pray. Pray and ask of that divine Lord for that guidance and that protection. O Divine Mother, This evening we come to you. Please listen to our prayer. Hari Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagai Pavitya Mamasya Vidyor Pradve Shri Divala Kalipate Saptame Vaivas Manvantar Kalipatam Charani Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arvatarike Desh Antargati Trinidad Desh. Call this address here, Om 56 Mapipi Road, Whiteland. Call your address now where you live. Hari Om Sri Chetri Grame Bhautavatari Third Parahi. Whatever wish you have now, make it to the mother this time. Om Sri Dehik Devik Bhautik Tapatriya Nirva Martya Devi Graharishi Muni Madhava. Hari Om Tatsat. Om Sri Arshakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. Start to crack there. Yeah, go start and you go continue. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Suno mere Devi Parvat Vashini Tera Paran Paya. Suno mere Devi Parvat Vashini Tera Paran Paya. Suno mere Devi पारन पाया हो मैया तेरा पारन पाया हो मैया. सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. नंगे पग तेरे आगे आए सोने के चक्र चढ़ाया. पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल तेरे बीच चढ़ाया. सुनो तेरा पारन पाया. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. कलियुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य में कलियुग राज सवारा. पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल तेरे बीच चढ़ाया हो मैया. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. कलियुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य में कलियुग राज सवारा. पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल तेरे बीच चढ़ाया हो मैया. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी. This evening we present ourselves to you, O Divine Mother. Please accept our offerings, O Ma. Those who have health issues, please touch them with your healing hands this evening, O Ma. Those whose minds are agitated, please embrace them with your arms of compassion, O Divine Mother. Those who has no part, they lose their part. Give them the vision of the knowledge of your lamp, the lamp of your knowledge. O Divine Mother, we pray to you this evening. Listen to our prayer as we present ourselves from this wonderful hill right here in Mapipi Road, where our holy shrine have been flourishing with your glories. O Divine Mother, listen to our prayer this evening. Suno mere devi Parvatavashini Tera Parane Pacha. Suno mere devi Parvatavashini Tera Parane Pacha. We have one here, come up. You have to do our thing. Parvatavashini Tera Parane Umar voice.
Durge jai jai ma.
Get at your pitch, son, and go ahead. Go ahead with you.
Durge, Durge, Durge jai jai ma. Durge, Durge, Durge jai jai ma. Durge, Durge, Durge jai jai ma.
Durge, Durge, Durge jai jai ma.
Devi Durge, Durge, Durge jai jai ma. दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
देवी 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 दुर्गे जय जय माँ
प्रेम से बोले श्री आदि शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की। जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन O Divine Mother, as we bring this session to a close this evening, touch each and every one, O Divine Mother, in a very special way this evening. So as they leave this Yajna Shala, their life will be more Satogun than Rajo and Tamo. We know, dear Mother, that these three gunas will be fighting in us for supremacy. Allow and touch these devotees so that the Sato Gun will be supreme in their lives. We present ourselves to you this evening, O Ma. Touch us in a very special way. You embrace your children with love. So embrace us all this evening with your love. Children of God, feel the love of the Divine Mother as it touches you this evening. That vibration, that consciousness is reaching each and every one of you this wonderful and beautiful evening. As you leave this Yajna Shala this evening, remember that we are all a beautiful rose in this garden of the Lord, exhibiting ourselves of the great beautiful qualities of the rose. You are very special, my dear friends, for God have created us all. That Divine Mother have never failed us, and she will never fail us in the future. Surrender yourself to her this evening. Swas swas ki raksha karti, pag pag prana pachati hai. Every step that you make and every breath that you take, the Divine Mother is there, guiding us all. Suno mere Devi, Vatvaashini, Tera Paran. Om Sato Ma Satgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorama Amritam Gamaya. Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sikha Tvameva Tvameva Vidyam Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Devam. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Om Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Shankar Bhagwan ki, Sanatan Dharma ki, Om Sri Gurudevata ki. Jai Jai Sitaram. All please have your seat. Arti and Prasad and refreshment will meet you at your seat. Please have your seats. Devotees and friends, the nutmegs to crack. Onila, come. Is Lizian? Come. I said correct? Lizanne. All right. Come. Your sister can come to crack one. Hammer. So, my dear friends, tomorrow we'll have Devan singing again. We are very thankful to have Raj and Dylan with us this evening playing the drum. Nirav is here. Okay. How much we have here? 1, 2, 3. We need 6 more people. So crack now. Om Sri Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. You crack it good? Right, next. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Okay. 5, we need 4 more of them. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. 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 No, you had to hit it harder than that. Like when Rajiv gave X. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. We have 2 more. Sir, 1 more again. All right. 1 more person, please. Raj, come crack a nutmeg there. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. So hit the thing little tough, no man. Like that bad boy getting in trouble in my arrow. Om Sri Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. That's it, Raj. That is on the Jai one. Pass it back to him. So devotees and friends, again, how wonderful to have you. Umar son, I look forward to see you again. Okay, say tomorrow.